Interested in knowing one of Danamon's smart investment solutions? Start your Forex transactions with ease through the FX Online feature at DBank Pro. Here are 5 best features that you can enjoy. For those of you with existing Danamon Lebih Pro or Prima Dollar savings account, download DBank Pro application now. Available on App Store or Play Store. The first feature from FX Online is that you can check exchange rate information from DBank Pro. Just follow these easy steps. Open DBank Pro and log in with your password. Select the Foreign Exchange Transactions menu in the Main Transactions option. Don't forget to read the terms and conditions carefully. If done, click Next. Click See Exchange Rate. To see the exchange rate updates, click Refresh periodically. Now, you can always be updated in Danamon's foreign exchange rate movement in real time. The second feature you can enjoy is the ease of executing your foreign exchange transactions directly at DBank Pro. See the following steps. Open DBank Pro and log in with your password. Select Foreign Exchange Transaction menu in the Main Transactions option. Read all applicable terms and conditions, then click Next. The next step, choose the currency you would like to transact according to your needs. Indicative exchange rate for the currency you have selected will appear on the screen. You can click Next if you would like to continue with the transaction, or click See Exchange Rate if you would like to see indicative rates for other currencies. When you click See Exchange Rate, an indicative rate like this will appear. If you are interested in one of the available currency pairs indicative rates, click the arrow to continue the Foreign Exchange Transactions page. Foreign Currency Transaction page will be shown after you click Next or the arrow. Fill in the required information on screen, then click Next. Transaction Detail page will appear. In this page, time will appear next to the conversion rate. If time runs out before MPIN is imputed, FX rate value will be updated and timer will restart. If rate is updated in your favor, the indicative rate color will turn green. Otherwise, it will turn red. If MPIN is imputed before the timer runs out, then you click Send. Conversion rate on screen will be used for your transaction. Check and ensure all your transaction details are correct. Input your MPIN and click Submit. Right after you successfully input your MPIN, you will see your transaction summary. Information on remaining monthly limit on foreign currency purchase from IDR is also displayed on Acknowledgement page. Now, you are able to do foreign currency transaction easily. The third feature from FX Online is banknotes order through DBank Pro. Let us show you the way. Open DBank Pro and log in with your password. Click on Banknotes Order menu in the Main Transaction option. After this display appears, fill in the required fields. You can choose the source of funds from your own account according to the currency available for banknotes. In the next field, you can choose the time to pick up your banknotes order at the branch. If you order at 6 a.m. until 11 a.m., you can pick your banknotes order on D+1's working days at the fastest. If you order at 11:01 a.m. until 6 p.m., you can pick up your banknotes order on D+2 working days at the fastest. In the last 2 fields, you can choose the nearest branch location to pick up your banknotes order. After you have completed all of the fields, read and agree to the terms and conditions. Click Next if you have read and agreed. Recheck all your transaction details. After you have ensured everything is correct, input your MPIN to confirm your banknotes transaction and click Submit. Your banknotes order is successful. You can check the summary of your banknotes order on this page. Don't forget to pick up your order banknotes order at the time and branch you have chosen. The fourth feature of FX Online is access to the latest market insight directly from DBank Pro. Pay attention to these steps. Open DBank Pro and log in with your password. Click the Foreign Exchange Transaction menu in the Main Transaction selection. Click on Market Insight in the upper right corner of your screen. Then, you can choose Market Insight period selection that appear. Choose the date of Daily Market Insight that you want to access. The daily market insight will appear based on the date you choose. Besides daily market insight, you can also access the monthly market insight. The monthly market insight will appear based on the month you choose. You can freely access the market insight you need in DBank Pro. Use this insight to help you define the transaction and investment that you want to do. The last feature of AVEX Online is remittance. You can now transfer money to an overseas bank account or execute remittance with DBank Pro. Check out these steps. Select Transfers menu on the transaction page at DBank Pro. Select Foreign Currency Transfer and complete the transaction information. If you want to transfer to a new account, select Transfer to New Account, then add the bank information on the screen. Select your beneficiary bank. You can also choose another beneficiary bank by clicking on the Other Banks option. If beneficiary bank name is known, you can search using the bank's name. Click Search Bank Name. Input the origin country of your beneficiary bank and then click on Bank Name field. After that, enter beneficiary bank's name and select your preferred beneficiary bank. The beneficiary bank information will appear automatically. Make sure you choose the correct bank. Click Continue to Beneficiary Details to continue your transaction. If beneficiary bank's SWIFT code is known, you can search for your beneficiary bank with the SWIFT code. Enter the SWIFT code, then click Continue. Your beneficiary bank information will appear automatically, and make sure you choose the correct bank. Click Continue to Recipient Details to continue your transaction. After you ensure your beneficiary bank is correct, complete the transaction information on the foreign currency transfer page. Once complete, click Next. Make sure all of your remittance details are correct. Then, enter your MPIN to confirm your transaction. Your remittance transaction is successful. You will get a notification of your transaction summary. All your foreign currency transaction needs are now in your hands with AVEX Online feature from DBank Pro. Download DBank Pro now.